gosh, I got another package! Deutschland? Deutschland. Kinda tastes like a ice cream sundae. I think it's still in my mouth. I'm gonna try German spam first. Is it because I cannot understand? It looks like way more expensive than a spam. Maybe it's just me.
I think it's, I don't know.
Oh, it looks actually expensive. I don't know why, but that's how I feel. I don't have spam with me right now. Oh!
What are you doing?
I try to show them, but like all the fat drip.
Ew.
It smells pretty similar to the spam. Since I don't have a spam with me right now, I can't tell, but similar. I'm gonna pan fry it and bring it.
That's the cutest shit I've ever seen in my life.
I just pan fried it and it looks like this. It looks exactly same as a normal spam. I don't know how I should eat the freshest stuck of fleshes. So I'm gonna eat how I usually eat spam, with the kimchi and a white rice. Let's try. I'm super excited. I love spam. It's just like spam. The texture is a little more soft. I don't know if this one is original or not, but compared to the original spam, it's less sodium, like less salty. It doesn't exactly taste like healthy, but compared to spam, I think it tastes healthier. Tastes good, I like it.
Not as good as spam.
So you like spam more? Honestly, I cannot decide which one I like more, spam or this one.
How
Really?
dare you?
Why?
Spam is the key.
Tastes really good, like equally good as spam. That's what I would say. I can't talk, but I just finished it. That's how good it is. Next one, let's try the soup one.
Oh.
Sarah made it. It was a bacon potato soup, and I just need to microwave it for 4 minutes. So I'll cook it. Oh, it smells very familiar. What is it? Sarah, smell it.
Oh, bacon potato.
Okay. But it smells really good. It smells really strong. It kind of smells like a baked potato with a lot of bacon on it. Ooh, there are a lot. Is that chicken? Lentil. Ooh, not bad. But tastes not that strong yet. I'm super shocked about how much stuff they put in. In Korea, usually canned food, they don't put much stuff. So probably seems like a restaurant version. Let's try. 이게 무슨 맛이지? Is it bacon? It doesn't taste like bacon. It tastes like just a pork. I don't know. It kind of reminds me shepherd's pie or something. And I understand why you're eating this while you're sick. It's very easy to eat and it's very warm hug feeling. It tastes, I don't know, mama's hug. I'm super shocked about how meaty it is. The soup is like almost like a beef brisket juice. It's super good. I feel like it's the best potato soup I ever had. Even though it's instant, it's the best. 맛있다. I wanna be sick now. This is super good, but the texture of the soup is a little thick. In Korea, we will call it as a jjigae, not a guk. So it's more like a stew than a soup to me. And Sarah says it's a little salty, but to me, I think it's a perfect saltiness because I like my food a little salty. It tastes super good. Even though I'm not sick, I don't know, I kind of want to be sick so I can feel the full experience of German sick food. I think I'm gonna miss this a lot when I'm sick. Let's move to the next one. Next, I'm gonna try leberwurst. This is German meat spread. I never had a meat spread, so to eat this, I actually went to the Paris Baguette and got the rye bread. This sounds super weird. So, oh my gosh. Okay, let's open it. Whoa! 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 good. It smells like a little spam, but super meaty.
Yeah, it smells like cat food.
Did you say it smells like cat food?
Smell it.
I mean, I never had a cat, so I don't know it. No, it smells disgusting.
Sorry.
No, it smelled good. Oh, it's disgusting now.
No.
Oh, everything's mental. 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 It smells good. It smells good. Ooh, it's very, spready. Very, like, tender. I'm kinda scared, but let's try. Hey, why are you not eating it? Hey, that's not what we do. 맛있는데? It tastes good. I like it. Ooh, what is it? Is it pepper? Black pepper?
Oh, I don't like the aftertaste. Ah! Ah!
You don't like it?
The aftertaste is so porky. I feel like I can smell a pig.
I don't know, it just tastes like a German sausage to me. That I had it in the Berlin. It tastes super good. Just texture is very weird and different, but taste-wise, I like it. It's a German sausage. And the flavor is super strong. Even I added like a little bit, it's like a sausage. And I don't know what spice is it. Is it pepper? I'm not sure, but there's a strong spice. I like it. This is like my favorite so far, better than the spam. Very unique. 맛있는데? I think every time when I have like a normal white bread or like a whole wheat bread, I would like to eat it with. It's really good. I like it. Sarah hates it. She's like,
I don't hate it.
you can hate it. It's fine.
I
like
don't. I just don't like it.
it. I didn't like this shit. Dog food. Next one. I'll be honest. I'm kinda scared. What if I puke? It's like...
Dude, it's food.
Yeah.
If you don't puke from chopped liver, I think you're fine with pickled herring.
This is a herring's fillet, but if you look at the picture, there's a bread and a fillet and mustard on top. I don't have exact same mustard, so I'm gonna use a Dijon mustard because that's what I have. Let's open it. What yellow part? Like yellow is coming out.
Was the yellow not mustard?
I don't think so.
Or is it in mustard?
I don't know. Oh, I think we don't need a mustard. It's already covered in a mustard. Oh, it kind of doesn't look good. Oh my god. Oh, I'm not sure what this is, but it looks like mustard to me. Oh!
It's on your shirt.
This is what it looks like from the can. Ooh, it smells not bad at all. It smells actually good. It's like a fresh mustard with a, it's a fish smell, but it's not bad. I shouldn't be scared.
I wonder if people will laugh because you're using chopsticks.
Oh, there's two fish. You can have a whole fish.
No, that's okay.
Oh, it broke because I used a chopstick. There's a lot of fish. Look at it. It looks like fish. It's actually fish. German people, I'm so sorry if I'm eating it wrong. I don't know how to eat it, and this is my first time. I don't know. I'm gonna eat it like a hot dog style. It feels wrong, but very easy to grab. And I never eat fish with mustard, and I never had a fish and bread, like except the deep fried fish. Oh, 미쳤다. Oh, Virgia. Virgia! Cheers! Virgia! What? 맛있다. It tastes good. 왜 맛있지? Why does it taste good?
Super good. So good.
Why is it good? Why is it good? You know, like you usually put the mustard on the bread, like a toast. Because of that, taste is very familiar and like natural. And you want some filling. Instead of like a ham, there's a very nice like tender fish in it. And weird part is I was scared of a fish because when I was imagining, I thought it wouldn't go well. But somehow they're meant to be together. Get what I mean? They're born to be together.
It might be the best thing
My
out
bad.
of everything.
이게 왜 맛있지? I think it's not just mustard. Like it's very creamy mustard. So I think they mix mustard with the mayo. I'm not sure, but that's my guess. I would say everything is like perfect. texture of fish is like perfect, and how much mustard or like mayo or whatever that sauce is perfect. Taste and texture of the fish is like perfect, and it's not salty at all. It's just a creamy sandwich, meaty. Booyah, tastes super good. Even though it's from can, it seemed like it's freshly cooked black. I don't know, I was planning to eat one bite because I was super scared and I would hate it. Look how much I have. Like, I ate all of it.
Is there more?
No, that's for tomorrow. Favorite.
What? Freeway?
Favorite.
What?
Favorite.
Favorite?
Out of all, I think this is the best. So if you haven't tried, you should definitely try. And if you cannot find, move to Germany. It tastes super good. It's worth to try. It's really good. That's it for today's episode, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys enjoyed it, please hit the like button. That will help my channel a lot. And thank you so much for sending all of this, Gia. I had so much fun, and I don't know, everything is super special, and I never had it. It's so great experience. I feel like my cooking knowledge is expanded. What time is it? Time to announce Jingle of the Week. So Jingle of the Week is... Gia! Thank you so much for sending every single stuff. I had so much fun filming, and I hope you enjoy watching it. Keep cooking delicious food, and if you're cooking my food, please tag me. Thank you to all my Patreon. Economy Krista, Sacolin, Nancy, Sam, Shanae, Sandro, Mr. Shore, Spencer, Gia, Joy, Sue, Lexi, Mr. and Mrs. Gavin. Thank you so much for helping me to make better and bigger contents. See you next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you want to see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. Then I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!